Hey guys, in this episode we'll be learning what are generator functions, how to implement generator functions and benefit of generator functions. So what are generator functions? To define it simply, any Python function with yield keyword inside its body is called a generator function. Like in normal function we use return statement, but generator function has yield statement inside it. So as you can see here, I have a function generator Avengers and it is using Thor, Hulk and Iron Man. This is the simplest generator function which I have created. So what are the benefits of generator function? Generator function supports state suspension. Normal function would just return when and exit with the value. But generator function suspends and whenever you call any method, then it resumes its execution from there. Also, it has another benefit is that it is it is great for memory optimization for larger programs. Also, it supports iteration protocol. So let us look at our first generator function, generator averages, and now let me press enter. So what I can do here is that let us check what it is actually. If we just type generator averages, so this is it shows it's a function, but when we call it, then it is a generator object. And let us try to assign it. For example, let us try to assign this generator avengers to object G. So if we see now G is a generator object, if we call G generator object, it says it is not callable because we have already used this as a callable function. So what I can do here is that I can just put next, since generator function supports the iterator protocol, so we can use next. It is calling next Thor. If we do next Hulk, Iron Man, and after that stop iteration. So the thing is that at the last, since any like if you have gone through for loop and all they already catch all the iteration exceptions. So in this case, our next protocol is stopping at stop iteration. So generator function they produce value while as normal function they return it. Generator function produces in value. Also, let us take another example. What we can do here is that let's define another generator function which will build square. We can do generate squares and let us it has an argument then. So we have created another generator function and let me put x equals to gen square 5. We can, instead of doing next we can simply use for loop and let us print I. You can see this also supports for loop and different iteration protocol. So you can use generator function in this way too. Another example, what I can give here for is that range is also our generator function only. If we just call range 10 and it will not return anything. Let me see. So what is x? X is range function, but we are not getting number. In Python, this has changed. So we have to do list x, which returns all the list. Also, similarly, we can put it like this. Another example is define ups line and let us split it. Okay. I have missed comma. Now if I pass here, I can also do. So now ups is our generator function. What you can do here is that you can see here it is same acting as a range function. So range is also a generator function and our ups is also a generator function. Now let's see how generator function supports suspend and resume. So what we can do here is that let us create one more function generator AV. We'll start the function here. We A here. Let's continue it. Will be will end it. So if we do normal for loop on generator, it will print this. But if we do next, let us assign x value to this variable. Next x. So you can see here is that it goes to start an A, and it suspends its execution there. But when we run next x again, then it goes to next B and suspends the execution. And at the last it will stop iteration but it has not printed end because it has suspended execution here. And the last it will print end and stop iteration. So here you can see here is that it has printed end and it has stopped iteration. So this is basic generator function and its use cases. Majorly you will find it's used in larger programs if you are implementing it, because the thing is that the function will avoid running at the time of the execution, but you can save it for the later purpose, and when it needs it then you can call the iterator and get the values. Thanks.